Howe responded by sending 5,550 troops south from New York through Princeton toward Trenton. Cornwallis troops arrived in Trenton late on the afternoon of the 2nd of January. Cornwallis found Washington's troops along the ridge of the Assunpink Creek and decided to wait until the next day to attack. Overnight, Washington moved his troops out of Trenton and into Princeton to the north. There, his advance force met a British blocking force commanded by Lieutenant Colonel Charles Mahood. A desperate fight ensued in Princeton, in which the Americans almost lost. Washington's timely arrival on horseback, however, served to rally the Americans, and they mauled Mahood's forces, which barely escaped to Trenton. Both armies were spent, and Washington took his army into winter quarters in Morristown, while Cornwallis withdrew to New Brunswick.